The backslash character has got a special meaning in strings. It's used to escape the character that follows it to give that character special meaning. Now, some examples are backslash n to start a new line and backslash t to insert a tab. So let's go ahead and create a new Python file. I'm going to call this one escapechar.py. Alright, so I can start by typing split string is equal to, and in double quotes, this string has been, and we'll put a backslash n there and type split over, and backslash n, several backslash n lines. And to confirm what this looks like, we're going to type print and in parentheses split string like so. Now before I run this, remember to check what your IDE thinks you want to run. Now we haven't executed this code before, so we have to right click in the editor to run it from there. And you can see in the top right hand corner, it's going to run strings if we just click on this button here, which is not what we think should happen. So I'm just going to close it off. I'll just type in the answer there, close that off. So again, what we need to do is right click and select run. All right, and now we can see that those backslash characters and what they're doing. You can see how the string has been indeed split over several lines in the output. So whenever the print function sees backslash n in a string, it causes it to start a new line. Many IDEs will color escaped characters differently in the code, as IntelliJ IDEA is doing. On my screen, you can see that on line 1, the various backslash n's there. All right, so that was backslash n. We can also tab the output. So using backslash t causes Python to tab to the next stop before printing. So let's go ahead and try that. So I'm going to type tabbed string is equal to, and in double quotes I'm going to type 1 backslash t2 backslash t3 backslash t4, you guessed it, backslash t5. All right, then print that out. Print and in parentheses tabbed string this time. And we'll run this. We can see the numbers 1 to 5 are printed out, tabbed across the screen. Now different consoles have different tab stops. In IDEA, the tab stops are every 4 characters. But if you run this program from say a terminal or command prompt, the tab stops will probably be set to 8 characters. So keep that in mind. So the backslash can also be used to escape special characters such as quotes and double quotes, and that can be useful if you've got a string containing both of those characters. So to see what I mean, let's type some more code. So I'm going to type print, parentheses, and single quote, and I'm going to type the pet shop owner said, and then double quote, no, comma, then a space, and we're going to put a backslash, single quote, bear with me here, E, backslash, single quote again, S, then R, hopefully you're recognizing the reference here, and 3 periods, he, backslash, single quote, S, resting. And closing double quote, a period, then a single quote which is already there and the right parentheses. So that's one option, or what we can do is we can come back and also try another version of that. And we can put, I'll put a comment there, hash, or we can do it another way, print, and put a double quote this time. The pet shop owner said, space, backslash, double quote, no, comma, space, single quotes, E, and we're putting the E in single quotes there. S for ease, comma, 3 periods, he's resting. Then we want to put a backslash, double quote, a period. Then we've got the closing double quote from the start of the line and the right parentheses. And let's just run this first. So you can see now that what the pet shop owner said is in double quotes, but his statement includes apostrophes, and that means that we have to escape one or the other. So on line 7, the string is delimited with single quotes, as you saw, and we have to escape any single quotes that appear in the string. However, on line 9, what we've done is we've delimited using double quotes, and that means the double quotes inside the string must be escaped. Now another alternative, when you use triple quotes, which we'll do now, there's no need to escape any quotes inside the string. So I'm going to type print, left parentheses, and 3 double quotes, and noting that IntelliJ added the last 3 for us automatically, and I can type the pet shop owner said, then double quote, noting we're not using the backslash now for escape characters, no, comma, single quote, E, single quote, S for ease, R, semicolon, 3 periods, he, single quote, he's resting. Then we've got a double quote to close off the quote from the start of no, he's resting. Then we want to put a period there, then we'll just put a space, and the 3 double quotes on the right hand side close off the print line with the right parentheses. So basically when we're using triple quotes there's no need to escape any quotes inside the string. Python knows that the string doesn't end until it finds those matching triple quotes at the end. And just to confirm this, we'll run it. And as you can see, we've got exactly the same output. So another reason we might want 3 consecutive quotes is because of a feature Python provides to make strings spanning lines more readable. So the string that we split over several lines earlier is not easy to read because of the embedded /ends, but Python allows a string to be split over several lines without doing that by using triple quotes. So to see what I mean, let's type some code in. We'll do this on line 13. So I'm going to type another split string is equal to 3 double quotes. This string has been, I'm pressing enter there, split over, enter, several, enter lines. Then on the next line, actually the line after, just to make it clear, I'm going to print another string, another split string. If we run that, you can see this string has been split over several lines. So we're basically getting line breaks in the output. Now if you want to lay out a string with breaks, but don't want everyone to start with a new line when printed, then what you can do is escape the end of a line with a slash. So to see what I mean there, we can come to the end of the line, we'll come up here to line 13, has been, space, we'll put a backslash there, and the next line do the same, space, backslash, several, backslash after the space. And now if we run this, you'll see the difference in the output. The string has been split over several lines is actually no longer true. It's now all on the same line because we've used the backslash to escape the end of the line. Alright, so let's finish the video here. See you in the next video.